Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the Wii, cables, and the TV ready. Start by powering off all devices to avoid shorts. First, connect the Wii power adapter into the back power port, then plug it into a live outlet. Next, grab the AV or component cable, match the colored plugs to the TV inputs. Yellow is video, white/red are audio, or use the component set for better video. Once done, position the sensor bar centered above or below the screen, about 3 to 6 feet from your standing area. Now connect the video cable securely. Push each colored plug fully into the TV. If your TV only has HDMI, attach a powered analog to HDMI converter and connect HDMI to TV. Converters sometimes need their own power. Plug the sensor bar into the Wii sensor port and place it level. A misaligned bar causes tracking issues. Turn on the TV and choose the exact input you used. Then press the Wii power button and watch the TV for the Wii menu to appear, which confirms a successful video link. Finish by syncing your Wii remote. Open the console SD slot or door, press the red sync button, then press sync on the controller. You'll see lights blink to confirm. Make sure the TV aspect ratio is set correctly, usually 16:9 for widescreen. Adjust brightness or input labels if needed. If you don't get a picture, unplug and replug cables, try another input or converter, and power cycle the TV and Wii. Often a simple reconnection resolves handshake or signal detection problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.